Alright, so welcome to this session of the tutorial. Now in the previous session we edited our services page. Now as you can see, this is how beautiful our services page is, and I showed you how you can edit each of these things here. Okay, so here we are in our projects page here. Now we're going to start editing it. So let's start right away. I'm going to click on edit it Elementor. Okay, so here we are in our project page. So the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be editing this picture at the background here. So I'm going to be clicking on this icon at the middle here, which says edit section. So when I do, I'm going to head over to style here. I'm going to click on choose image. So I head over to upload files, then select files. Alright, so I'm going to be using this image which says projects. So I'm going to click on it, then click on open. Alright, so I'm going to click on insert media here. As you can see, this looks cool. Now in case you don't want this thing to look very dark, you can just go to the background overlay and modify the settings. You're going to find that you're going to be modifying this black overlay here. Alright, so we have the project. So if I click on the project, I can edit the title from here. So that's for that. So here we have recent projects. So here I can just click on this to edit it here. Also I can click on this to edit it here. Alright, so that's for that. So here we have our project. So here I can click on the project, click on this here, and also click on each of these things here to edit them. Okay, so but we're going to be editing this image, so I'm going to click on it. So I'll click on choose image. So we're about to upload files, then select files. Okay, so here we have our projects too. So I'm going to click on it, then click on open. So here I'm going to click on insert media. Alright, as you can see, our picture has been changed successfully. Okay, we can do the same thing about this and also about this, but we're not going to be doing that. What we're going to be doing is that we're going to be deleting this. So I'm going to click on this here. I'm also going to delete this. Alright, so here we're going to be adding our own spices to our website. So the first thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to search for image here. Okay, so here we have our image carousel. So here I'm going to drag this image carousel into this box here. So watch it. So I'm going to drop it in this box here. Alright, so as you can see, our image carousel is here. So here we're going to click on this plus icon to add image. So here I'm going to head over to upload files, then here select files. So we're going to start with the swimming pool first. So I'm going to click on swimming pool. I'm going to select this, all the swimming pool here. I'm going to select this, then I'm going to click on open. So our pictures are being uploaded. Alright, so here I'm going to create new gallery. So I'll click on create. So here you can actually drag this. So if in case you want one to appear before the other, you can just drag this over each other, as you can see here. Now I'm going to click on insert gallery. Now as you can see, our gallery has been inserted here, but they are looking so small. So I'm going to head over to image size. So I'm going to change it to full. Alright, so as you can see, our images are now displayed full, but there are no spacing in between them. So I'm going to head over to style. So here I'm going to click on image here. So for the spacing, I'm going to head over to custom here. So as you can see, 20 is okay. So just type in 20, or you can leave it at 30, 40, depending on your preference. So we have successfully edited this, and you can see how our images are moving. As you can see, the images are moving. Okay, so we're going to be dragging this up. So we're going to just, from here, we're going to hold this So when you hold it, just drag your hands up. Okay, so here we're going to drop this here above this a little. So I'm going to drop it here. Alright, so as you can see, I've successfully dropped our image carousel here. Now, as you can see, this is our project. So, but before we head on, I'm going to be copying this. So I'm going to right click on this. I'll click on copy. So here, I'm going to right click on this and click on paste. Okay, so this is our recent project. So I'm going to drag this up. So watch me, I'm going to click on this and drag it up. So I'm going to leave it here. Okay, so here we can edit this text here. So when you click on this text, under the alignment, make the alignment center. So here also you click on this text and you make the alignment center. So head over to style here. So click on center. So as you can see, center. So here I'm going to edit this text. So I'm going to change this from recent projects to our swimming pool project. As you can see, this looks more cooler than just this static one here. So as you can see, our images are moving. So here you can just give a little information about the swimming pool which you've been constructing. So here, as you can see, we have little or no gap at all between these two elements here. So I'm going to click on this which says edit section here. So I'm going to head over to advanced. Okay, so after you've clicked on advanced, you're going to head over to your margin. So under your margin, you can just type delink this first of all. So when you delink this, you just type in, let's say 60. Now as you can see, it's giving it some little space, so you can just type in 100. Alright, so as you can see, there's space in between our elements, so we don't have to just mix things up together. Alright, so here also we can do another cool stuff. So I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste it here. So I'm just going to drag this up over this. So here we have another project. So I'm going to drag another element. So I'm going to head over to our widgets here. So I'm going to search for the image. So here we have our image carousel. So I'm going to drag these. So let's drag this to the bottom. Alright, so I can just drag and drop this here. Alright, so this is the image carousel. So I'm going to click on this icon which says plus. So I'll head over to upload files, then select files. Okay, so we're going to be adding these are our construction images here. So let's start from this. Alright, so I'm going to click on open. So our images are being uploaded. Okay, so here we can just click on create new gallery. So here you can drag which one comes first and which one comes last. So here you can just click on insert gallery. So as you can see, our gallery has been inserted. So but the pictures are so small. So I'll head over to the image size here. So I'll click on this, then click on full. Alright, as you can see, the images are full, but there are no spacings. So I'm going to head over to style. So under style, I'll click on image. So under the image, I have the spacing, so I'm going to click on it. So I'll just click on custom. So this is 20. you can change it to whatever you want. So as you can see, this is cool. So you can just drag this up by using this button here which says edit section. Now once you just hold your mouse and you drag it above this section. So I'm going to drop it here. Okay, so as you can see, this is another project. So you can just click on this text here, and here you can type our main, okay, our construction. Our construction projects, or rather I can just type in our Lagos construction projects. Alright, so as you can see, this looks more cool than this static one here. So if you're finding it difficult to use this, you can actually go with this, but this looks more cooler and looks more engaging. So that's for that. So you can actually add another one. I have some images in the exercise folder, so you can just play with them. So here we're going to be editing this, so I'm going to click on this icon which says edit section. So when you do that, you're going to head over to style. So under your style, you're going to click on choose image. So let's just scroll down here. So I'm going to be using this. So click on, let's scroll down. Okay, this, we're going to be using this. Okay, so I'm going to click on insert media. Alright, so it's actually changed our picture. So here you can click on this to change the text. You can also click on this to change the text, and also you can click on this button to change it. So that's for that about the projects page. So don't forget, always click on updates here. So I'm going to see in the next section, because in the next section we're going to be editing the contact us page. All right.